The IT space also saw some traction yesterday, Kiran, and I wanted to discuss with you in specific the stock which is in news today, Wipro. Huge order coming in for Wipro, and about $500 million odd, and now there are brokerage houses reports as well in it. So Morgan Stanley has given a target price of 421 on Wipro, even though it still has an underweight stance, so it's below the target price. They do believe that this could be taken positively, especially when discretionary spending environment remains tight, and they believe that even though such large deals add to the visibility of revenue growth, the near term growth could still lag. So fundamentally they are still not very confident whether Wipro will be able to jump back and be able to show earnings recovery on the back of these news flows and the orders. What is your own sense on Wipro?
Not only Wipro, but I want to read it about the IT sector actually.
Absolutely.
So the reason being, as we discussed in opening commentary also, last week we have seen that Eurozone, ECB and Bank of England both have decreased the interest rate. Now the same thing is we all are expecting from the US market also. US market, US is going to have a election later part of this year. So everyone is expecting some of the publishing from the interest rate side also, that interest rate should come down. And if interest rate if it is coming down, then technology shares should have a very good impact, of course. So looking at Nasdaq, looking at technology shares of US market, definitely those are trading at very cheaper level comparing to the financials. Even at India, if you check out the Nifty IT, it is trading at its very good support. It is trading somewhere around its 20 days, 200 days moving average with reverse bullish reversal candlestick pattern also. So 3400 is the level of Nifty IT we are expecting. If 3400 is 34,000 is respected, then there are chances we can see some rally towards 3600 or 36,000 also. Sorry. So we are expecting some bullishness, and we have seen since last 2 days technology shares is also getting momentum. So large cap IT should be the flavor for the market for this later part of this year also. So large cap names like Wipro you suggested. If you check out the Wipro daily price chart, it has formed bullish divergence on momentum indicator. Of course, it has also support of 200 days moving average, and if you look at the short term chart, there is a falling trend line breakout is also there. So 440 460 was the cluster resistance earlier. Once that breakout came, we have seen price reach to 450 level. Now again prices is trading at similar level, so I think risk reward ratio is very much favorable into the Wipro, and we are very bullish on Wipro. In fact, our client and even our personal portfolio have a Wipro. So it is as a disclaimer point of view. So investor can definitely go ahead for the Wipro at current market price. Very strict stop loss of 400. We are expecting price target of 550, 600 by this December or maybe the Diwali. Similar way, you can look after Infosys also. Infosys also has a breakout from the rectangle pattern. It has also formed a bullish divergence also. So definitely Infosys would be on radar. 1470 is the closing price. Anyone can go long at current market price, and we are expecting price target of 1600 in upcoming time. So Wipro, Infosys, TCS, all are on radar. Wipro already we have our portfolio.